Hello and welcome to an Acid Rain figure review. Haven't done one of these in a while, but it's been a while since I've been able to pick one up. So here we've got the Abadon puppet of the Omanga military. And they're still continuing with plastic cases, which are to scale with the laurels. So the detail is fantastic as expected. The helmet is not removable. The head is. So it's great that they've finally started releasing the so-called bad guys for the Bucks team to shoot at. Although I do have a theory that Bob and the team aren't necessarily the good guys. So weapon has like a little peg there to lock into the back. That's kind of cool. I guess this is less of a review and more of a few minutes of me playing with a figure and being amused. And he's been drinking. So, not necessarily able to stand on his own. Kind of standing, but no, the detail's fantastic. Obviously a video can only go so far, but no, I'm impressed. But then again, I haven't been disappointed with this product line yet. There's still time. So obviously the body's the basic kind of system that we've already had. You could remove a leg and use it on one of the other troopers as like a prosthetic. But no, there he is. Almost good to go. But no, that's all good. I like the packaging, that was a good on their part. Amazing artwork as always. But no, so to get these in New Zealand you've obviously got to buy them overseas and have them sent over, so they are quite expensive. So this was almost $40 here to get. But no, I'm all good with that. It's nice to have something semi-unique. But no, yeah, that works for me. So I hope you enjoyed that few minutes of... dude. Anyway, great figure. I'd buy another one. I probably will. And I'm going to keep buying Acid Rain because it's awesome. I'd suggest that you do too. Check out the other videos because there's like a kind of a semi-series on like let's look at Acid Rain stuff. As always, I do appreciate your time, and as well, do you want to comment if you've already purchased, because that would be helpful to know what other people think. Did yours stand up on his own okay? But yeah, comment, like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff, because it's appreciated, and I will see you in another video soon.